Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a bar cuff. What you are going to need is 2 singles that each have 30 beads, 30 beads to make the bars with, scissors, and string. Let's get started. You're going to take your string, we're going to add on 2 white beads, and we're going to take both ends. We're going to string on 1 single to one side onto one of the beads, another single onto the other side with just 1 bead. Okay, so it should look like this. We are going to add on 2 white beads. We are going to crisscross with the other string. We're going to pull it all the way down. Okay, so here's what's really important to remember. Is instead of stringing through this bead right here, which would seem like the logical decision, we're going to go to the bead after it. So this bead should sit directly on top of the bead before you string into it. So make sure that your strings are not coming out of the same bead. It's kind of the easiest way to remember that. You should have 1 bead that's a gap between your bars and 1 bead that it sits on top of. When you've done it correctly, it makes kind of almost like the top of a peyote stitch, where these stand out further than these that are recessed, that go in between. So now we can add on 2 more of our white beads. Going to crisscross through that bead, pull it tight. We're going to skip this bead, go into the next. Do that on both sides. So it should start looking like this, and you can see where, pull this a little tighter, where you get that bump here, where you've got strings coming out of both sides and how it starts to bump up here and here. We're going to do this all the way around, and I'll show you how to tie it off at the end. I just wanted to give you a really quick update just to make sure that you're on the right track. It should start looking something like this when you get further in. So if you're not sure, or if you've got more than 1 bead in between these, then you've done something wrong. I would go back and review the video again, or you can leave me a comment below and let me know, and I can answer your question. Okay, so when you've gotten to the end, it should look like this, where you've got your original here and you've got 2 strings hanging out. So we're going to take one side, we're going to go through the original 2 bar beads. So we're going to take this string and we are going to tie them together. And we do that 2 or 3 times. You can take your scissors, cut off the string. Okay, and when you're finished, it should look like this. So you can see you've got the distinct bars there. You've got the rise and fall, kind of almost like a peyote stitch through here. You can really dress these up. You can make the bars taller. You can do the singles different colors. You can have them alternating colors. There's endless possibilities with a stitch this cool. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe. You can follow me on all my social medias, all linked down below. Or if you need some supplies, I've got links down below for everything. I will talk to you later.